Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about 5 cosine 8 in here. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we know that tan A that is about sine A over cosine 8. Secant of A that is about 1 over cosine 8. Now, we see that they have same cosine A, so we can put like this. Next, I will put cosine A go to the right. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine A square plus sine A square equals to number 1. So we have cosine A, so I will put this one go to here. So the first thing we need to know that we put the power 2 for the both sides. And this one we have sine A square plus 2 sine A plus 1. This one we have 16 cosine A square. Now I will put this one go here. Now this one we have 16 minus 16 sine A square. So now I will put this one gone here. So number 1 with number 16 with the positive, we have 17. 1 minus 16, we have negative 15. And now I will put about t equal to sine 8. So because we want to find the real number of this one, so t should belong from negative number 1 and positive number 1, because the value of this one you can get the real value of A in here. So we have t equals to negative number 1 and t equals to 15 over 17. So that means we will have about sine A equals to negative number 1 and sine A equals to 15 over 17. So if we have this one, we need to put this one go back in here. So this one we have number 0. That means cosine A equals to number 0. However, if we put number 0 in here and here, they will be about invalid. So that means we need to reject about this one. Now we just have only this one. So we put this one go back in here. So we have 64 over 289. So if we put the square root for the both sides, and we have cosine 8 equals to 8 over 17, and cosine 8 equals to negative number 8 over 17. So we go back to this one. So if I put this one go in here, and we have sine A equals to this one, you will get about negative number 4. So this one, that is not valid for cosine A equals to negative 8/17. So we just select about this one because we put this one and sine A go to this equation. You got positive number 4. So this one we need to accept. And then we need to add reject about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.